Hi everybody, Smoking Bears here. Got another Cast Iron Wednesday. Today's cook is, I was talking with a guy with Mike over at TheKettleCookers. Check out his channel. And he asked, what do you do with leftover pulled pork? You know, nachos, tacos, burritos, you know, the sandwiches, all the normal stuff, right? So I had mentioned a pulled pork pie, and he said, what? So that's today, a pulled pork pie. Yes, you heard me right. Going to be in a large cast iron skillet, 10-inch. Got the Weber kettle, Grozowski, getting fired up and heated up. Man, he's excited. Let me tell you, he's excited. Cheers. Cheers. Hope everybody's having a great day. Dad mug. Anyway, let me show you what I got. All right, so it's going to start out with 3 taters. I already washed them. I got an onion that I went ahead and chopped up. I have just a mix of cheese, shredded cheese we had, a couple bags open, pepper jack, Fiesta blend, taco blend. Got some Sticky Fingers sweet Kentucky bourbon sauce. That's one Peyton and Nolan really like. Got some Bayou Bear. And over here we got our pulled pork. You need about a pound. Alright, so I already sliced up some of my taters. Just want to show you this. You don't need them real thick, but you want them uniform. Because you want to promote even cooking. You could do it on the mandolin if you wanted to. I just soon pull out the old hickory, slice her straight down. Try to keep all the same sizes. And if we get to the end or whatever, it's fine. Alright, so we're going to hit with a little bit of olive oil. Just get the sides and the bottom real good. Okay. Now here's the tricky part, right? Line the bottom with your taters. The whole bottom. Alright, now take some of your pulled pork. This is straight out of the fridge. I had it vacuum sealed and just drop it in. You want about a pound. And then I like to, as I'm putting it in there, I like to mix in some onion with it. I vacuum sealed a little over 2 pounds, so put as much or as little as you want. It doesn't really matter. It's going to cook up wonderful and your family will love it. Trust me. But you don't want a whole lot of onion unless you really, really like onion. I typically don't put a whole lot, just a... Excuse me. And sprinkle in some more. Kind of flatten it down some. That's roughly a pound. I'm going to throw a little bit more in. So I'm looking at about half an onion. All right. Now the sauce. Use any kind of sauce you want. Just go over top like so. Make your own, buy one, whatever. Just like that. Set it down, but we're not done with that yet. Now, come in with a little Bayou Bear. A little bit of your favorite rub. Just a little bit. Ba, ba, ba. We're not done with that yet either. Now, your cheese blend. This is Fiesta, Taco, and Pepper Jack. It's just whatever I had in the fridge. This is a leftover meal. Just drop it all on there, man. This is probably 3-4 cups. Yeah, that's... Alright, so that's the whole bowl. Kind of spread that out a little bit and get down into the grooves there. The whole thing covered. Now, more sauce. Now what I like to do is start in the center. And just give it a little fun decorative. You know, all the way to the outside. Miss a spot, touch it up. There we go. And a little sprinkle of Bayou Bear right on top. Just for that added little bit of love. As you can see, our kettle's come up nicely. Nicely temp. We got clear smoke. Alright, Grillzowski. Set it right on there. And we'll let it go for about an hour. Alright guys, my neighbors out here string trimming or doing something, so I pulled it off. Been about an hour. Look at that. Taters are soft. See the steam. Ooh, boy, that's gonna hurt. Alright, so here we are. There's our pulled pork pie. I can't even describe the smell that's coming off this. You smell that? Oh, it is delicious. Let's give it a taste. Some of this cheese, onion, pulled pork, and a tater. Get it all down there. This is going to burn, but it's worth it. Come on, slice the tater. Oh my goodness. I thought my dancing at the pulled pork was good. I didn't want to drop this plate. Man. 2 thumbs up, man. That was awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Man. That was awesome. Well, that's my cast iron Wednesday. It's my pulled pork pie. Have a great week, everybody. Let's smoke 'em bears. Remember, a family cooks together, stays together.